Hello? Hello? You put your Patsy back in your mouth. Is that your Patsy? You little stinker. Did you have a nap? Are you done with your nap? You are? Will you take your Patsy out? Good girl. Oh. That was fast. Hi. Hi. Let's take a look at you. Hi. Can we take your Patsy out, please? Can I have your Patsy? Thank you. Can I have the other one? Why, thank you. What a big girl. Okay, let's go get your very first haircut. You want to get a haircut?
Yeah.
Where's your hair? Good. We'll just get it trimmed up a little bit. So these guys in front will get trimmed out of your face, right? Where's your hair? Oh, yes. All right, sugar pie. Yes. We'll get going, okay?